Are you looking to enhance the speed and responsiveness of your Magento store? Today, we'll guide you through Magento 2 clear cache techniques to boost your e-commerce store's performance. Cache management can significantly improve your website's speed and user experience. Need to update product info or web services? Your updated data might only display once you've cleared your cache. Let's navigate cache management to keep your online store up to date. Begin by logging into your Magento 2 admin panel. Here, you can flush the cache. Go to System, Cache Management, and flush Magento cache. Using the command line. Navigate to your Magento 2 root directory, then run the following command. Check your Magento 2 cache status with this command. To enable cache, go to Cache Management again, select cache types to enable, and hit Submit. For the command line, run this command. Disabling the cache may be necessary for troubleshooting. In Cache Management, select cache types to disable and click Submit. For the CLI, run this command. Always restore cache settings for optimal performance. Magento 2 offers various cache types for store performance optimization. You can manage these by enabling, disabling, or purging cache types. And that's a wrap for the Magento 2 Clear Cache tutorial. Master these techniques to improve your site's speed and overall user experience. For more Magento-related tutorials, stay tuned and hit that like and subscribe button.